Hey guys, good morning. So I just got out of the shower, hence the wet hair, and started doing my makeup. And I said, I have to do a brow video. My brows are getting out of control. The hair is getting too long, and let's do a video and show people what I use and how I do it. These are the Brow Groomer Scissors from shopmissa.com. $1. Best dollar you've ever spent because unlike ordinary scissors, they have this guard on the side so that you can't uh, cut too much hair away and you won't end up with bald spots. So I'm just going to show you how I use these to trim my brow hairs. And, I don't have to do this too often. I just start noticing that the brow hairs aren't like laying flat anymore and they don't look neat. So what I do is I go like against the direction that they grow so that the comb picks up the hair and then cuts it to the right length. So just try to get, you are going to get fallout of hair, but just try to get in there. And that's where it always gets the worst, is right at the tail. So just keep going over it until you get all the hairs in there that you want and they're the length that you want. Because it's impossible to get your brows to look neat if the hair is too long. And then just move down the eyebrow and work your way towards the front. These are really great though. It's like a goof-proof way of doing your brows. And then I'm going to have to change the position of my hand in the scissors once I get towards the front. And there'll always be one or two hairs that don't want to go in the guard, so you're going to have to just keep going over that section until it cuts the hair that you want. There we go. I found there was one hair that did not want to cut. And then I just kind of go back and make sure that I got everything. I'm going to reposition my hand again because I can see there's a few at the end that were kind of stubborn that didn't want to go into that guard thing. So that's it. So this one is done and this one still needs to be done. And you get the idea, but I just wanted to tell you about these scissors in case you didn't know about them because that's such a good deal. There's a lot of good things on that website. I haven't ordered from them in a long time, but not because I don't like their stuff. I like their stuff very much. As a matter of fact, those of you who live in Texas are so lucky because if you live in Texas, they actually have Miss A stores in Texas. Texas has some great things. They have HEB, which is this affordable grocery store chain that also has a great makeup section that sells Moira, which I would love to try that brand someday. And yeah, I was going to say I've never been to Texas, but actually I had a layover there one time where I was transferring planes on my way to Arizona. Many, many years ago, I went to Phoenix, Arizona for a week on vacation. And I had to change planes in Dallas Fort Worth Airport. And I had just enough time to run across the airport to get to the right terminal. But I don't know, I would love to, go there on vacation someday. And a lot of people love Texas. the states that everybody is moving to right now is Texas and Florida. And I don't know, Texas is hot and humid. And one of the things that I hate about living in Massachusetts is it's extremely humid. And I think if I moved, I'd want to get away from the humidity. But I don't know. There's a lot of things more important than low humidity. But anyways, that's how I do my brows, and hope you found this helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.